Hi guys, happy Monday. Today's the day that we're finally gonna tackle my hair. I've been sick of it for quite a while and I decided to leave it to the professional. So I am gonna go to the hairdresser. You are gonna come with me, but before we do that, I do need to address the elephant in the room. If you've seen my last vlog, you already know, but if you didn't, I'm basically going back to the same salon that I swore I would never go back again, live through London in Soho. If you've seen my previous hair transformation video, or like hair fail, should I say, I went to the salon and I go back home quite upset because my hair did not change like at all. I hated what the stylist did. It was not what I asked for. The whole thing was very dramatic. I am gonna link the video in the eye in case you guys want to go watch it. But long story short, today we are going back to the same salon, and that's because I got this like May voucher type of deal. They had this balayage bundle for 65% off, where you would get a full head balayage, a blow dry and a haircut, a treatment, and also like some goodies to take home. And the whole thing was just like £151, and I managed to get it for like £147 I think, with a little discount, which at the time was way below the amount that I got quoted from like other stylists when I went to look around. And so though I was skeptical, I do think it was a good deal. I since then went and had a consultation with this stylist that I chose, so hope she's gonna be good. It's definitely not Melissa. If you know, you know, and I've seen her work with these other stylists on social media. She looks like she knows what she's doing. When we had our consultation, it also looked like she knew what she was talking about. She also mentioned back-to-back highlights, which is something that I desperately want and need because I want to look blonder overall. The only catch is that she quoted me an extra £180 on top of the £151 that I've already spent, and that brings her total to £330-ish, which is pretty much how much I got quoted in the other salon. So I do feel kind of betrayed about that, but I am glad I did a consultation prior to the appointment, so this whole thing didn't come up as a surprise. Now that you're caught up, let me show you guys how my hair looks now. Then I'm gonna put my contacts on and then we're gonna head out. I'm low-key crossing my fingers. I'll share with you guys my outfit before I go. My jeans are from Zara, my belt is Terra Nova, my cute little top is from H&M, and then later jacket is from Bershka. Now let's go get my hair done. Who's ready for the big reveal? 3, 2, 1. You guys, I'm obsessed. Not only I'm blonde, I also got bangs. Again, I'm literally in love. I mean, don't get me wrong, £332.45 is a lot of money, but this is probably the second time that I leave a hair salon actually liking my hair, so I'm actually pretty pleased. I think she did an amazing job. It does look rather blonde. We definitely went a little bit higher up with the blonde, and I do like more lived in look, but I'm not even mad about that because I know my hair grows kind of fast, and so I know that within like the next 3 weeks or so I will have a more grown in look, and I'm gonna love that. Let me do a proper 360 so you get the whole look. Not bad for before and after, I have to say. We did end up cutting quite a bit of hair and I got some like layers, but I don't think you can really tell. I mean, my hair was definitely on the longer side, but it was very thin at the end, and I think the cut definitely complemented this all color so much. And I love the fact that I've got bangs that turn into the most beautiful curtain bangs when I'm sick of them. I think that's sick. Also, if I put my hair up, how cute does that look? I'm obsessed. I think Sophia did such an amazing job. I'm gonna leave her Instagram down below in case you guys want to check it out. Included in the May voucher I've got, there was also some free products that apparently are worth £44. So let's go through my goodie bag together. here she is, the Roma name on it. Starting with this Gloss and Shine styling cream from a brand called Fool. Interesting. And then from the same brand I also got a Intense Moisture hair mask. This is a pretty full-size product. I'm honestly pretty happy with this. I cannot wait to try them out. I feel I have quite a few new hair care products. I had a few new ones also in my Marks and Spencer summer bag, so I'm definitely gonna do a whole hair care routine at one point. I am gonna wait though until we're in the new house to use all these new products. We're super close. I don't want to spoil or anything, but something happened today and we're low-key days away, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the moving content. With that being said though, I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair transformation video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Tell me in the comments below what do you think of my new hair. Of course, I'm gonna link again Sophia down below if you want to check out her work. I'm literally so happy that I get to say these words because, not gonna lie, if you know you know, I walked into the appointment kind of scared, but I'm so happy everything worked out. Anyway, with all of that said, I'll see you guys next time. I'm pretty sure for a moving vlog, so stay tuned.
I walked away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out of